Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we are going to walk through how to submit your expression of interest under Manitoba provincial nomination process, Manitoba PNP for Canada. Before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So guys, for Manitoba PNP, two programs, skilled worker stream and international graduate stream, this EOI system is being used. So we're going to walk through it, how to create your expression of interest. Of course, I will not be submitting it, and also I will not be describing those processes in details, because for that we should have dedicated videos. Okay, so let's proceed. So on this login page, when you come for the first time, you're going to click on new users. Some of you may ask how I reach this page. So if you go for Manitoba PNP in the expression of interest, it will take you to MPNP online, and that's where you come here. Okay, so it is asking you to create a user name, email, password, question, answer, create login. So I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to see you guys. So what happens is, after you provide your credentials, you create, it takes you to a page where you can update your information, but on the same page at the bottom, it gives you a link to online services. So I came here. Okay, now I'm going to access this. So I'm going to register as an applicant. Next button. Hmm. Oh, so I apologize. I clicked multiple times. So you need to put as per your case. Of course, I won't be submitting, just going to walk you through. By expressing my interest in MBA, I said that I have intent of settling in Manitoba. Yes, I'm interested in, yeah, here you're going to select. Okay. So PNP for skilled worker. Okay, I'm selecting this. Are you married to a combination with a Canadian citizen permanent resident? I select no, but if you're definitely. Do your spouse have a pending immigration application in Canada? Have you previously been refused by MPNP within last 6 months and cannot address the reasons for refusal? You need to answer as per your case. Okay. So that's what. So let's say you are already in Canada. I just select this. Now what's here? Do you have legal status in Canada? Are you currently residing in another Canadian province or territory? Are you currently working Manitoba or on a temporary basis? I select yes. Have you completed a master or doctoral program and an eligible internship through MITSCS in past 3 years? I select no, in just sample. Have you graduated in past 3 years from an approved program in Manitoba from minimum 1 year program? Do you have full-time job offer from an eligible Manitoba employer with minimum 1 year contract in occupation? And do you have CLP sign equivalent in all four skill area? I select yes. Within last 2 years, have you taken official English French exam and received official test results? I select yes. Which exam you took? I selected IELTS. It's asking for the score, so I'm just putting samples. Continue. I select okay. It is also showing the progress. Okay, I'm giving more information. Birth date. Let's say I go for email, expiry date, passport details. Okay, country, marital status. I select uh, never married. Email. I'm just okay. That I'll do last. Passport number sample I'm giving. Expiry date. Country of citizen. And yeah, how many family members are accompanying you to him? And then, like, if you have any doubt, you can always click. So let's say he's alone single guy. So I just put 0. Then I'm gonna fill this up and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay guys, so after you save that, you can go to the next stage. Now more information they are asking. Have your spouse previously been refused by IRCC inadmissibility? Have you ever been removed from Canada? No. Have you received an invitation to apply under statutory? I am not currently working on it, but I have a formal job. No. Do you have an active express entry proposal submitted past 12 months? Then they will ask. I select no because I don't want to put some sample values here. But if you have submitted, most probably yes. So definitely provide that. What is your highest level of education? Secondary degree. 2 post-secondary certificates of at least whatever is your degree. The full time, do you have in past 5 years? Do not round up. So I just select 2 years. Select all connections. A close relative who's a permanent. Okay. Just once at least 6 months here. Complete post-secondary education at 2 more years. Education of 8 to 12. Whichever is active. Yes. Enter your test identification number, test date. Do you have official test results? What is your destination in Manitoba? Do your spouse visited or lived another Canadian province or territory? Have your spouse ever studied another Canadian, worked in another Canadian province or territory? Close relative, another province. Okay, Canadian dollars that you have. I just put sample. Next. Okay, I'll just put something here. Let's see if they accept. Anyway, I'm not going to submit the application. Not sure if they have some validation here. Within 2 years. So I'll make it 2023. Okay. Yeah. Which field I missed? You have official test indicating yes. Which language? That's why this question has been asked again. I don't know, but it's okay. Uh, I think I misread a question. The official is second official. I apologize. Yeah, I had to say this no. But if you have set over the second language, definitely. So this is saved. Okay. Now you got the next option. You can go to next forms. But at this moment, no documents are required, but definitely like when you submit and all, definitely they will like in for the further processing, they will ask. So they have given the rules here. It's going to be valid for 1 year and other things. So in this way, you can check the requirements, like what are the things they need. You can even also calculate your points based on your circumstances. My intention was just to walk you through. So in this way, this can be done. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.